Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and welcome if you're here for the very first time, or if you're joining me again, welcome back. So this week I am documenting week 11 of my 2024 Project Life album, and I've already printed my pictures with my selfie printer, and I'm just going to be using, these are going to be the last, I believe, of my February kit. And so I'm arranging my pictures and going through my cards that I have left. Um, I needed a extra cardstock paper for one of my pockets, and so I did end up taking out this Stargazer by Dear Lizzie. I figured that it matched that card on the left, on the bottom left. And so let me go ahead and take you through my week. So the top 6x4 picture on the left is a picture of where my mom lives, and I do end up, I think this is like the only thing that that was in Ellie's studio was this Allie Edwards on the list or something like that. It's like chipboard sticker. It's like a very old chipboard sticker that I had in my stash, and I thought, why not use it? I'm just gonna use the stuff that I have. And so, it's one of the things that are always on my list on a Sunday. I like to visit my parents with my kids, and so I just thought it'd be appropriate to put that on there. The 3x4 picture below that, it's a picture of my brother and my son. I went ahead and bought my mom her bed and her mattress, and we were delivering her mattress to her. So I had my brother bring the dolly because it is indoor and there's like elevators. It'd just be a lot easier to carry. And my son was having fun and I told him, let me take a picture of you. And so he's just acting all cool on the dolly with his uncle. I thought that was cute, and it's just a picture perfect moment. And so I do end up using one of the cards that said, I think it said picture moment or perfect picture moment, something like that. So I end up using that picture for that card. On the right is a picture of some avocado. Picture of an avocado. My son is obsessed with avocados right now. Well, we all love avocados in my house. We'll just cut up an avocado and eat it as a snack. We'll just, you eat it with a spoon. And we eat it with a lot of our, things that we eat. We have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's kind of like a go-to snack. And I do end up using these new stickers that I got in my March package here from Ellie Studio. It says, I can eat that. What does it say? I could eat that every day. I believe it says, because we always eat avocados. Oh, there's it on my list. I think that's what it says. Yes. It's kind of hard to see because I'm seeing on a smaller screen, and I don't have the actual pages out. I've already put it in my album because I do the voiceover after I completed my pages, so it's kind of hard to see what I'm using on the screen here. The next 3x4 picture below that is a book that I finished this week. It's called Then She Was Gone by Lisa Jewell, I believe it says. And that was my 8th book for the week, for the month, or on my list, I guess I should say. Oh, here I am just trimming this little card here. I guess I could have cut it out and pasted it on top, but I just decided to use my X-Acto knife and use it as a frame and just put it over the picture rather than on top. I went ahead and adhere that, used a little bit of washi tape to adhere it from the back, and then, this is going to be covered so no one's going to see it. I know it looks kind of ugly, but again, it's going to be on the back side, so. Anyway, I do end up using a journaling card here that came in the February kit, and it's just like numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I do list the happenings of the week. And then this 3x4 card next to this screenshot of my audiobook is a card that said what I want to do, what I have to do, something like that. And I went ahead and journaled, I want to craft all day, which I wish I could. And the bottom was like, I think I put, I have to be an adult and be mom and wife and work. So I can't that's life. That's how things are. But I do like to take some time for myself. Usually I'll hang out with my friends on a Friday night, or a Saturday. So it just depends what we have going on, but I just love hanging out with my friends and just crafting, and it's just such a fun time, a relaxing time. So I really do enjoy my time. I wish I could do it all day long, but unfortunately it is not possible. So anyway, for my book, my audiobook, I did want to use some of my stamps that I've bought, and I haven't been able to use them. I just forget that I have them. And so I do end up making my own 3x4 card for the audiobook. You'll see her in a bit. I don't remember what stamp set it is. It has like a bunch of cute stamp sets like pertaining to an audiobook. So the one stamps I use is audiobook, and the little AirPod earbuds, a stack of books, and 1.50, because that's usually how fast I listen to my books. And then just like a little title, author, and narrator little stamp that goes with that. So that was fun putting that together. I need to use my stamps more. And then for this, moving on to the right side, I am using this Park Lane. I think it's for planners. I like it because the numbers are a little smaller. And I just stamp 1, 2, and 3. My 3x4 picture there with the little bunting flag is my Thursday 3, my selfie picture. And then here's where I'm going to jot down my 3 things that are happening right now. And I do end up having to document that off camera, because for some reason on my computer I try to bring up my Instagram profile and it doesn't always go, and it just freezes. And then I use my phone to record, and so I have to get off my phone, look it up, and then just copy it down. So you don't get to see that on here, but it's no big deal. I mean, it's just me journaling. So yeah, for this, I decided that I want to do a flip. I had a perfect picture of my brother and my daughter, and it's just very heartwarming, like his little face that he's making, like, oh, like my niece. And I decided to use the last little die cut from January. It says always and forever, because he just sees my daughter and he's just like, she's expired already, she's so grown up, she's got a boyfriend. Because that particular day he happened to meet her boyfriend for the first time, and he wasn't really happy about it. He was just like, I just see her like a little baby, like when I first met her. And so it's just like bittersweet. So I just decided to put that, because he always sees her like that little sweet baby, always and forever. And I did end up using this square die cut, fold these in half. I really don't like using these weird odd shapes for my projects, so I just folded in half and just use it like a like a tab. And then I thought I was going to use one of these stickers, and I ended up just using one of my, I think they were jelly bean soup, these little clear stickers, and just added I can't remember what it says. You'll be able to see it on my still shots, but something that pertains to that day. That day, it was a Friday night, and it was party time for us. My mom had spent the night. My husband was out of town. He was on drill that weekend, which explains the top 3x4 picture from that, him and all the guys in the barracks. And then I happened to snap a quick screenshot of our 360, where it shows my husband over there, Camp Roberts area. So that particular day, my mom and I made queso birria tacos with consomme, and it is so delicious, where you dip the tacos in. So yummy. We had a blast. We were playing pool, my mom, my brother, my son, and I, and then we were listening to music, having a blast. My daughter's boyfriend was over, and they were watching a movie inside, and it was just great. It was just a fun night. And so I wanted to document that. So I did a little flip of them two, and then a picture of my tacos with consomme, and it was very yummy. I really enjoyed it. Here I was just finishing up that card for my book, and here, I don't know, I was having trouble with the impression. Like sometimes if you don't have a straight surface, then you'll have an uneven impressions. So I was just struggling with that. I don't know, maybe my thing was uneven or something. I had a couple things on top or below my platform. So I just decided that I would just use my my marker or my pen and just go over the little lines that I missed. And then I just had a little star, and here it is. And then here you see my Thursday 3. The bottom 4x6 picture is a picture of my daughter. She decided to start her community service hours. So as a part of their graduation requirements is to do community hours. So she went ahead and logged in too, and they picked up trash in our area, and she felt really good about it, and I was really proud. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really quick and simple. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.